It's a demo of the SL-QD33 direct drive turntable by Technics. Stylus, or the tone arm catch released. Power on. Start. Has a sensor for 12-inch or 7-inch records. If a 7-inch record was on there, it would set down at the proper spot. Cueing button to raise it. I'm going to advance the arm to the end so you can see how the auto return works. It has a repeat function here. Again, I'm going to advance it to the end of play. And with the repeat function on, the tone arm will go back to the rest and then quickly come back and restart the record. Back to the rest, and then restarts the record. Pretty useless function. I don't know why anybody would want to do that. To stop, hit the start stop button. That's it. The SL-QD33, fully functional. Thanks.